This is the wheel of a water mill. We had to do it as a project at school to build Arkwright's mill. Bring it round here. We had to make an engine that would fix to the wheel with an axle, and all the cogs turn simultaneously at different speeds. Going back here, there is a knitting machine which is not actually connected because it has to go from side to side. The people, the cogs are still turning. Here, if you look zoom in on top, there are the wheels of the top side view. And here are the cogs that are right attached to the axle. And attached to the axle itself is a belt still running here where we showed you earlier on the engine, which is turning. There are men working, and yeah, there's not much else to say, except that it took a very long time to build with all three of us. Me, Oisin, Jack and Max.